So with the use of the application, I can now also as well identify specific quantity or measurement. And if I take assign takeoff, okay, then I'll just bring in some columns. And you can simply see from here that we're able to actually gather, yung quantity. Also directly or coming from our PDF. Now that we have the quantity, so we can now start assigning resources. So select the item and then go to our master database. So again, click natin. So for this one, let's assign materials, and let's assume coming from our materials, we'll be needing concrete, sand, and then cement. So simply drag and drop. And so dire-diretso na po natin. Labor, assuming where we're working from, NCR, and siguro a construction foreman, drag and drop. And let's head over sa equipment, mixer. Okay, so if we check yung resource assignment that we've assigned, ayan. So mapapansin nyo from here, this is already now the association of resources we've assigned for this structural concrete tie beam. And then from here, we can further add factors to this specific resources. No? So mapapansin nyo, since we have already the base unit price for each, so we can now as well also add factors, just like wastage factor. So you can probably add in more. Yeah, add in more, ano no, cost consideration factor. And of course, any more additional uh, cost, so you can also add to this. So once we click update, we can now head on dun sa ating BOQ, and notice we are able to associate or assign rates for material, labor, and even equipment. So yung kaganinang ginawa po natin, that's actually the ano no, the quick way of doing it. So since you have already generated your estimate or your BO line item, you can now simply redo these items for each specific activity in your project. And the best thing, if you have already a database wherein you can just simply identify these resources, so you can just simply add in. So from here, select ko lang and then click ulit yung resources. And I'll go to the ayan. So kung mapapansin niyo po, I can just simply get in from my database. Expand na po natin para mabilis. Ayan. So from here, of course, depende pa rin po dun sa ano, no, scope of works. So you can just simply drag these items and then assign it to your estimate or simply click items. I think I've selected a lot. Okay, so yeah. So if you notice po, it's adding quite a number of line items. But yeah, let's just wait. Uh, yeah, so while we're waiting, we still do have some time. Sige po. But any more question po? No? If you notice, we've already somehow run through yung process. Ayan, if you, ayan, so it add up to our estimate. And then if I want to actually simply group these things up, ayan, mapapansin nyo po, no? It actually also somehow automate groupings, no, nung ating items. But if I head on here, okay, since our goal is to have this actually reported and submitted into a DUPA, so in most cases, applications can customize already reports. And with COSOS, actually, once you've already done doing your estimates, no, you can head on to the report and just simply select the type of report you want. I'll just put in here the location and select, yeah, wait until it generates the report, and here we go. So we then now have, okay, so to simplify things po, I'll just simply get here. So I'll go here. Yeah, ayan. So from here, based from the number of items we've actually created, no, yung structural tie beam. So mapapansin nyo, it can also automatically assign it following yung ating detailed unit price analysis report. So this actually the items we've associated a while ago from the labor, bag mixer, and then automatically grouping it up and applying required further calculations. So from here, we can now simply export the files. Mhm. Either in multiple spreadsheet or single spreadsheet. So let me just open yung files po, no? Documents. All right. Okay. Ayan. So nag-open na yung ating Excel. So since I've actually exported it in an Excel format, ayan. So it now shows me the DUPA in Excel format ready to be printed out of or if you want to further modify, or actually from here directly you can also print it as ano no a PDF if you want. All right, so actually we only have until 2:45 and then we can allow some questions, no? So with that, if you notice, having the system, it really speed up the development. So you can now further focus on analyzing the estimate. So I also just want to show you that, of course, you can generate a more complex estimate or a more detailed estimate. So if you notice, this is also an example. This is actually preloaded already of estimate items. And yeah, you can actually then actually convert it into a DUPA as well. All right, so given that time, unfortunately, we only have that specific moment. As Guru will then have at least a 10 minutes for question and answer, no? So turning it over to you, I.